Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming 5G phone under A series called Galaxy A36, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by Giznext, in partner with OnLeaks. According to leak renders and other rumors, the Galaxy A36 5G will feature a flat 6.64-inch display, with a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers, along with the power button, is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM slot, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is said to measure at 162.6 by 77.9 by 7.4 millimeters, and it is also reported to run on latest Android 15 out of the box. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A36 5G has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A36 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.